Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam Workshop failed to enumerate subscribed items error using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken account links on your current setup session so your community list displays perfectly inside your software launcher. Step 1. Open your Master Settings panel from the top menu bar. The first step is to open your main application window on your desktop screen and head straight into your central configuration room. Move your mouse pointer up to the very top left corner of your screen workspace, click once on the main word Steam, look down the choice list to find the button labeled Settings, and click on it. Watch for the main options panel to slide open right in the middle of your monitor screen view, displaying all your setup categories. Because you need to fix your global profile and download paths at the root level before the network server can map your custom layout items. Opening this central panel gives you a clear look at your overall rules system. Without this step, your software will keep using its old choked connection routes, which keeps your subscription list completely broken and blind. Step 2. Wipe out your temporary download cache folder. Now you need to enter your Download Settings tab and use the built-in Folder Cleaner button to throw away the clogged data pieces that are jamming up your list. Click on the row that says Downloads on the left menu bar, look at the middle area of your screen canvas rows, locate the button that says Clear Download Cache, and click it once. Click the OK button when the confirmation box asks if you want to restart your application, and wait for the software window to turn back on. Because your temporary storage folders can get piled high with broken download code over time. When these folders get stuffed with bad numbers, the application completely fails to read or load your outside workshop list sheets. Wiping this cache box clean acts like sweeping a dirty floor, creating a completely fresh space for your content lists to load onto your screen layout without hitting a wall. The final step is to go to your software shelf and run a system folder check on your target game to force the computer engine to repair your missing folder paths permanently. Open your software library list, right-click on your game name, choose Properties, click the Installed Files tab on the left menu, and click the button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Watch the progress bar scale up to 100% on your screen canvas rows and watch your subscription list pop back into view automatically. Because it repairs the broken communication lanes between your core game data and your outside workshop folders. Now that your profile link is refreshed and your cache folder is empty, this final check overwrites the old broken list files with healthy data pieces. Your list repair setup is completely finished and your workspace behaves beautifully. And that's it. To fix Steam Workshop failed to enumerate subscribed items, you must first click your profile name at the top right and sign out of your account to refresh your online link. Open your Settings panel under the Downloads row and click Clear Download Cache to wipe out your temporary folder data. Next, you look at your screen canvas rows to open your game properties and click the Installed Files tab on your screen. Finally, you click the Verify Integrity button to let the system scan and fix your broken folder links automatically. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.